Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing. This is actually from Costco. So last time I picked up was the Sierra Nevada mixed case, 4 different 6 packs. The one I saw now was like IPAs and like 3 double IPAs. So it's actually like a really good deal. Like think about buying like 4 6 packs of double IPA for like $6 a 6 pack. Absolutely insane. But the I had them a little bit more than that, like like $6 to $7. Yeah, very cheap. You just buy a case and just mix 4 packs, mix 6 packs. But it was canned like 3 months ago, so I didn't go with that. And then they had a Sweetwater one, a Voodoo Ranger one. Nothing really interested me other than this one. This one's very weird. This one's European beer collection. So unfortunately, the one that I reviewed was really bad. It was actually from Sam's Club, and it was an advent calendar. It was like from one brewery, I believe. I actually forget which brewery it was, but it was like all contract brewed and all very, very mediocre beer. Honestly, probably some of the worst beer you could buy on the market, at least like craft wise, right? This one we'll see, because this one's actually from Europe. So I obviously haven't opened it. I just peeled the sticker off for you guys. So now this is fun. All right, I'll peel the sticker. All right, how does? Wow, that was not easy. What? Anyway, you get to see my struggles. So it's 10 different beers from Germany, France, Poland, Slovakia, and Czech Republic. So first off, this is crazy. This doesn't make sense. So the crazy thing for me is logistically, mixed packs are just not a good idea. Like think about like, hey, we're gonna brew a beer. Cool, let's package it same day. It's like, all right, sweet. Like that's just like it makes sense to like brew. Oh, sorry, package in the bottle, like can, and then let's get into the cardboard or the 6 pack or the pack text or whatever you want to do. I mean, you just do it all in one shot, and then now you package sell, like boom, it's all done. But now, like, imagine those 12 mix packs, the mix pack 12 packs that you can buy, right? Like 4 different beers. It's like, oh yeah, let's brew a beer, let's package it. No, wait, all right, we brewed another beer. Let's package it like 2. No, we got to do 2 more runs. So you got to do 4 brews, coordinate all that. Find somewhere to put the beers, then have them like very beautifully, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like, I mean, obviously for larger breweries, logistically, it's like not as bad, but it's still like this just seems like a headache. This seems insane. These are beers from 5 different countries, so they sort of make all these beers, print the labels, ship them somewhere, and then somewhere at some point they have to like put them all together. I don't even know where they do that. So anyway, the beers are actually maybe we can find out. Well, they say where they're brewed, so that's a fact. Oh, okay, there you go. Webster Barnes in Boynton Beach, Florida. So they're getting all these beers shipped to Boynton Beach, and then they're packaging it all at once. And I imagine the labels are, or 99% sure that the labels are made in Boynton Beach as well. So they're probably shipping. It's possible that the canning is also done in America, and then they're all yes, for sure, because these are all the same cans. Yeah, like they wouldn't have these 5 different European breweries wouldn't have the capability of like having the same packaging run and then fitting in the perfect box and whatever. So wait, but these are 16.9 ounce cans, so they're not made in America. It's really confusing. You guys logistically tell me. So what I suspect is that somewhere in Europe, there's one company that's canning all these beers. They're collecting the beer somehow because they're getting shipped maybe in tankers, then canned at one facility and then shipped to Florida and packaged. I don't know, man. Because these are all the same cans. Like you can see that they're exactly the same cans. And the same labels too. Like whoever print the labels is the same company. But they're not doing 16.9 ounce cans in Florida, right? Anyway. This is such a weird tangent. Let's talk about these beers. This is La Folle Furier. This is from Brasserie des Zoutes. It's from France. So this is a triple pale ale, French triple pale ale. I don't know what a French triple pale ale is. Is it Belgian inspired? Is it going to be like a Belgian strong ale? Who knows? The next, there's some more French beers, right? So the order is actually not well done. But anyway, I don't care. La Givrerie. I don't know what that means. All right. I'm going to have to look these guys up. French Pale Ale. So, just, they're on the board with Belgium. This is going to be like a Belgian Vit beer, my guess. And then another one for Brasserie des Zoutes. There's a beer from, this is Le Van Rijn. Le Van Rijn. This is from, what brewery is this? This is, Privat Brauerei Eichbaum. So what is this? Beer from Germany. Eichbaum. They don't even say what it is, so I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay. Yeah, like, but it has the government warning, the U.S. government warning, but then there's 16.9-ounce cans. Okay, so I'm really confused, guys. I don't know where this beer's coming from. I mean, they're from the brewery, but then they ship them to Florida, and then they put them in 16.9-ounce cans. Because if you guys don't know, like, tall boys are 16 ounce. This is a European volume. You got me freaking baffled, guys. You guys are freaking baffled. There's another German one from the... no. Okay, so there's another one from Brasserie des Zoute. This is Wine de Folie. Wine de Folie is a French pale ale. Okay, cool. So we got that. And then this is Best Buy. Like, I assume this was canned. Geez, not fresh. Maybe 5 months ago. So it's a 2-year Best Buy. I don't know. Maybe a year and a half. I don't know. Because they're all the way good till August of 2025. Maybe a year and a half they put it on there. So this is relatively fresh. Bro, you guys got me. I'm so confused by this stuff. Another one from Germany. Okay. So this is... Oh, you got me. Schaumstoffets. This is another one from the Eichbaum from Germany, and this is... It doesn't say what style it is. It just says like spicy, refreshing style. It has floral aromatics, cracker. I don't know, 4.2%, pretty tiny. Helles. It could be Helles. It could be Pilsner. I don't know, man. You got me. Okay, I think we're done with the ones that I opened up already. Yeah, okay. So let's try this guy. This is, okay. So this is from Poland. Yeah, Poland, okay. This is, I looked it up. Polish Pilsner. Okay, so we got that part. And then this is Rotmitz. Rotmitz. I'll look it up. Like Google, if you guys don't know, Google Translate is very useful. Just go on Google Translate, put in the word, put in Polish, and they'll actually tell you like how it's pronounced. Like it's like Rotmitz or something like that. Oh, I should open with this one. Man, this is a video. Any more from the? Wait, so they give me 2 Rotmitz? No. I just put that in the back. Wait, what? Wait. Okay. You got me here. Okay, so Polish Pilsner, and then IPA/lager. You guys hear that? IPA/lager. What is it? An IPA or a lager? I don't know. Rotmitz. You got me there, guys. Rotmitz. IPA/lager. Okay. We'll see what that tastes like. So this is obviously pretty much stolen IP from Pilsner Quell, but it is a Czech brewery. So it's what was it? Brunovar. Brunovar. Brunovar is out of, I assume, Brno. Brno is a BRNO is a city outside of Prague. Not Pilsen, where Pilsner Quell is brewed, but you clearly see the green, the beige, the same font, even a little stamp. So this is a Czech Český ležák. So Český ležák, I think it's, so Czech ležák is I think the gravity standing. So this is 4.7%. That puts it at like a 12 Plato beer. It's like it's the same. It's the same as Pilsner Quell. So like I think 12 Plato beer. So so now we're in Slovakia. So Slovakia, I've never had beer from Slovakia, even though it's like right next to the Czech Republic. Well, I guess I've been to Slovakia as a kid when I was studying abroad, but Slovakia, this is brewed by Stigavine. I'll look that up. This is Pokoni Medved lager beer. Super crisp. Okay. Fun. What's another one here? And then this is another Czech one. So this is from, Brunovar. Brunovar, this is Tup. 8%. What? What is an 8% Tup lager? The hell is that? And then, honestly, the packaging is dope. Very nice box, clean. Like, seems like nobody touched it and has been sitting around and collect dust. I think it's relatively fresh. The cans are all clean and beautiful. Like, they don't seem like they've been shipped all the way from Europe and then shipped from like multiple different countries all in one place. So, at some point, yeah, somehow the beers got to one place and got canned and then got this package. Blows me away how that happened. But yeah, they got all the breweries. Varsity de Suta, Bedovar, Eichbaum, Stiga, and then Rotmitze. Rotmitze. Oh, cool. And then they get like, oh, sweet. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So they got like literally like what I would like. Like, hey, if you guys like to hire me, this is what I do. Like, give you all the appearance, taste, aroma, and then give the about, the history of the brewery, and then oh yeah, cool. Like what? Okay, here I was curious. What is Toop? Like, why is there an 8% lager? Like, they don't like the Czech system. Like, they do like 8 Plato, which is like under 4%, to like 12, 14. Like, a big beer for them is like passing 5%. So what the hell is 8% Czech beer mean? Moravian malt, Czech hops. Yeah, doesn't say anything about the beer. So about this beer, they didn't really describe it. They just said like blah 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 blah. Our brewery blah 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 exceptional. Like, literally the first sentence is, our brewery producing Toop Lager celebrates the classic Czech tradition of crafting exceptional beers. That means nothing. Yeah, another useless sentence. Team of skilled brewmasters meticulously oversees each batch to ensure that only the finest quality beers leave the facility. So it really, like, these are literally sentences when you'd write when you're like 14 trying to hit the minimum, like as a word count minimum. Just like, I'm writing sentences for the sake of sentences. These are words for the sake of words. So fun. Root meats, okay. Fun. I'm gonna review some of these for you guys, and this is weird. Where should I go start first? Okay, how about this? Let's go with the book. Hey, this one World Beer Awards. Okay, so let's start with France. So we're gonna do the Brin de Folie and Folie Furieuse. All right. Anyway, fun. Hope you guys stuck around. This is really funky. You guys post comments below if you've ever seen this or know about the logistics. Very weird. I'm excited. Like, fingers crossed. These are actually they're actually produced from the breweries, and I don't get that like advent calendar trashy contract brew stuff I got made in America. Ideally, these European brewers are making some decent beer. We'll see later.